Would you like to have a digital business card installed on your nail? Keep watching and I will show you how. First, you need to type in Google search QR code generator and you will see plenty of websites. Most times they're free. You just need to go there and you can create this code and type in your website, text, image, video, information, your business card, basically anything you want. I decided to type in my website, Nails Pro Academy. Then we have a generated code. You need to download it and print it on a paper. It's better to choose a thin paper. Then we will need tweezers to do the actual design, gel base, sock off, I'm using the one by Cupa, top coat, I'm using the one by Valentino, it's no wipe, plastic wrap, the one you use to wrap the food, scissors to cut our QR codes, and nail file. I have 180 by NSI. And buffer, 220 will work just good. First, we need to cut the code, but be careful, do not cut a single pixel or it just won't work. Then we need to take a look at the nail and you will notice that it's curved. And we cannot stick the code to the curved surface because the distance between the pixels, between the dots will change, hence it will not work. So we need to have a flat surface. And to do this, I'm filing the middle part of the nail flat, like this. And it depends on your nail. I like to install it on the thumb because it's bigger. Now let's check and we can see that we need to file a little bit more. You can print the code smaller and install it on the other nail, but just from my experience, trust me, I made, I think, 100 attempts before it finally worked. And the best solution is to install it on acrylic or gel nails and use your thumb. So now I'm buffing the rest of the surface just because I want to make it matte, as I already applied the top coat on the tip. Remove the dust and apply a sock off base coat right in the center where you're going to install the code. Then do not cure, it should be wet and not cured, and the layer should not be very thick. Then we carefully install the code, make sure it's in the center, and then we are going to use wrap. Make sure there are no wrinkles on the area where the code is. If you will have some wrinkles outside the code, it's fine. We can buff them off later, but make sure the code is all nice and see-through. And then we will cure it in LED for 1 minute. And yes, it's better to hold them with your hands while you're curing. Then remove it. We have some wrinkles right here, but it's not a problem. We can buff them off. When filing or buffing this nail, be extra careful, as losing one small dot or one pixel may lead to the code not working. So I recommend you to check to scan it with your phone on each step just to make sure it's still working. And then apply a top coat. Make sure there are no bubbles, at least on QR code area, or again, it's not gonna work. Fully cure it for 1 minute. And here we go. Now let's check it. Use the QR code scanner on your phone and yes, it works. It goes to the Nails Pro Academy website. Now this is how it looks on the nail, and everybody gave me so much compliments when they were actually trying this with their phones and seeing that it works, because everybody thought it's just a sticker or a design, but no, it's an actual digital business card on your nail. Let me guys know, what do you think, and would you try this design? I think it's really cool. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to get more crazy ideas from me just like this one, consider subscribing as I post them every week. Thanks, see you next time, bye!